So this is my fourth technology I found. No, not Screencast-O-Matic. It's called LabXchange. So one of the first things that I really like about it is, as you can see here, that all of these different programs, which Khan Academy is one that I am planning on trying to use, it is used by all these different programs. I happened to cross it by accident. One of the things I also like about it is it lets you change your language. So if you have a English second language student, like I just recently got a student in from India, hopefully maybe one of these languages can help him. And so in that way, this technology helps me advocate to have equitable access for our education. So digital content and learning opportunities meet that diverse population of students that I'm seeing in my classroom, which is 2.2B. So you can join for free, which is awesome. You can just explore it. So there's STEM from Africa. There's, again, digital simulations. So I like it because it keeps things up to date. So I liked it because it had the COVID-19 development, which is very applicable to our life still. I've already had a couple of students out due to COVID. But if you want to get more specific, you can come in here and you can type something in. So I have high school chemistry students, so I'm just going to type chemistry and see what comes up. And wouldn't you know it, so when you refine it, you can do just your science, which is awesome. So I'm going to select just chemistry. Okay. And then so if I was doing organic chemistry, this would be great. So if I'm talking about chemical bonding, there's this one here. For biology, there's DNA, and biochemistry is also in here, and like it's from Harvard University. So it might be a little more advanced. Thought there was a way to do. Okay, so yeah, so here we go. Sorry. Oh, sad face. So it also has audio only. So if you have a student who has difficulty reading, but what I was going to try and show you is background knowledge. So you can set it based on their knowledge that they have already. So I like that. That's also a way to make it more equitable. And I like it because I can guarantee you that my colleagues at school, I got just handed this gigantic paper folder, which there's nothing wrong with that. But I like to do a lot of my things in the classroom, especially since I have a lot of students that are gone on extracurriculars, football games and stuff, or out with COVID. And this kind of thing lets them be interactive and still learn even when they're not in school, and helps them be able to understand it. So I think it's going to be really great to use. I'm still learning about it, so I feel like I'm going to have to collaborate and co-learn with my students and discover this new platform that I found. But overall, I think I'm going to really like it. So I hope you find it useful.